Several actors from Malayalam film industry extended their support to actress involved in the actress assault case that rocked Kerala. The actress who was attacked in response to the issue had earlier come on the scene and expressed her stand in the case. In a note shared by the actress, she expressed her gratitude to all those who stood by her, saying that there were attempts to humiliate, silence, and isolate her, even though she had committed no crime. Colleagues and other filmmakers have expressed their solidarity by sharing this post of the actress. Prithviraj, Aishwarya Lakshmi, Tovino Thomas, Parvati Thiruvoth, Supriya Menon, Samyukta Menon, Purnima Indrajit, Rima Kallingal, Arya, Indrajit, Mia, and many others came out in solidarity with the actress. The actress made her stand clear on her Instagram page. The message said, "This has not been an easy journey, the journey from being a victim to becoming a survivor. For 5 years now, my name and my identity have been suppressed under the weight of the assault inflicted on me. Though I'm not the one who has committed the crime, there has been many attempts to humiliate, silence, and isolate me. But at such times, I have had some who stepped forward to keep my voice alive. Now, when I hear so many voices speak up for me, I know that I'm not alone in this fight for justice. To see justice prevail, to get wrongdoers punished, and to ensure no one else goes through such an ordeal again, I shall continue this journey. For all those who are standing with me, a heartfelt thank you for your love." It has to be noticed that the revelation of the actress came at the final phase of the trial in the case. More revelations against actor Dileep, the accused in the case, are now cropping up. The WCC spoke earlier on behalf of the actress. Soon after director Balachandra Kumar's revelations came against Dileep, the phone conversation between Pulsar Suni, the accused in the case, and witness Jinsen came to light. Suni is heard saying that he has seen director Balachandra Kumar before. Suni said that he had met Balachandra Kumar more than 3 times at Dileep's house and hotel. Jinsen was Suni's fellow prisoner. The crime branch will investigate Suni's phone call from jail. Kumar had earlier revealed that he had met Suni, the main accused in the case, several times. Balachandra Kumar alleged that Dileep had a close relationship with Pulsar Suni and that the actor and his relatives forced him not to divulge it to anybody. The actress, who works in Malayalam, Tamil, and Telugu, was allegedly abducted and molested inside her car by a group of men who had forced their way into the vehicle on the night of February 17, 2017. Dileep was arrested in July 2017 in connection with the case. He got bail after spending several weeks in jail before securing bail. He has been named as a conspirator in the case. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.